What's up, YouTubers? Tonight, I'm going to go ahead and replace the silver hardware that is on this Hogue Ritter RSK Mk1. I bought this kit off of the exclusive seller of the knife, which is KnifeWorks, and I've already done a review on the mini RSK. And one of my complaints was that with all the screws, you know, they should have used darkened hardware. They actually sell a little kit. It's like, I don't know what the price is. I want to say it's like $8 to $12 or something plus shipping, but wait until you can order a knife from KnifeWorks, one of these maybe. But it does look so much better if you take a look at this one post change. And I'll go ahead and actually insert a just a brief photo of a before and an after of the mini here. But I'm going to go ahead and just replace this on camera. It's going to be mostly going into fast forward mode, so it's just going to be really kind of quiet and going through there. But I'll go ahead and send a link to this one. This is for the full size, and it basically is going to replace all the hardware, and they even give you the Torx there. Oh, nice! Actually, they did not do this with the mini. They actually already have blue Loctite, so don't even need the Loctite. Very nice, actually. So I'm going to go into quiet mode, and we'll go to massive fast forward. So these are all replaced. I think it's an improvement. It just kind of, if you like the satin, you know, pop from the screws, on this particular model, I know that it requires a lot for it because you have the 3 backstops here, and then you also have the cartridge there. I think it does actually give it a cleaner line. I definitely prefer the pocket clip as well this way. It just makes it a little bit more subtle. So the good things I would say on this one over the mini kit is that it did already have blue Loctite on it, whereas the minis did not have any on there. So I actually had to utilize just my own the Loctite on that. So on the whole, obviously it doesn't change it. You can just go one screw at a time. Really easy. I think it does improve the appearance of it for myself, and I really do like that. So like I said, it's in between $8 and $10. Let me know what you think about this, if it makes it better. I think if nothing else, maybe that coating on it, I don't know if it's like a blued or not, or if it's an actual protective coating. So it may or may not even actually add any protective coating to it. Looking at it, I'm guessing maybe it doesn't. So it's not like it's any more rust proof, but not a problem. All right, hope you did enjoy this little thing, and look forward to the future full review of the large size Hogue Ritter. Take care now.